Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download HODL application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. The first thing to do is to open your App Store from your app drawer. In the search box at the top, type in HODL and search. Look for this application where it says HODL Real-Time Crypto Tracker and tap on the Get button to begin with the download process. HODL is a context of cryptocurrency that stands for Hold On for Dear Life. It encourages investors to focus on long-term potential of their holdings and resist the urge to sell out due to temporary price dip. Once you've downloaded the application, tap on Open to launch Open HODL application on your device. Allow necessary permissions and get started with it. So that's how you will be able to download HODL application on your iPhone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.